Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Andhra special recipe chakodilu. It's very easy. You can make within 30 minutes. Water 1 cup, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, carom seeds half tablespoon, sesame seeds 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Butter 2 tablespoon, boil off the flame. Add rice flour 1 cup, chickpea flour half cup. Mix everything. Water absorbs. Knead the dough with moist hands. Be careful, it's very hot. Soft dough is ready. Ball size. Roll uniformly. Form a rope. Join the ends. Secure tight. Soak with chana dal. It's optional. You can fry as it is. Now it's ready to fry. Oil for frying. Deep fry in hot oil. Fry on medium heat. Stir occasionally. Golden and crispy. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.